Introduction to Data Science Careers.
Data science is a fast-growing field combining statistics, programming, and domain expertise to draw insights from data. Whether you're just curious or set on becoming a data scientist, understanding the journey ahead can help you plan for success. Let's break down the essential stages from beginner to expert in the data science career landscape.
Laying the foundations, essential skills.
Begin your data science journey by building a strong foundation in mathematics, particularly statistics and probability. Learn at least one programming language, with Python and R being the most popular choices. Understanding databases, especially SQL, is also crucial. These foundational skills set the stage for all future learning and application in the field.
Developing practical skills, tools, and projects.
Next, focus on mastering key data science tools like Pandas, NumPy, and visualization libraries such as Matplotlib or Seaborn. Practice real-world data manipulation, analysis, and visualization through personal or open-source projects. Building a portfolio of projects will help you apply your knowledge and showcase your abilities to potential employers.
Advancing your expertise, machine learning and specialization.
Once comfortable with the basics, move on to machine learning concepts. Learn about supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms, model evaluation, and feature engineering. Consider specializing in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, or deep learning. Specialization can set you apart and open doors to advanced opportunities.
Becoming an expert, real-world impact, and lifelong learning.
As an expert data scientist, focus on solving business problems, leading teams, and staying updated with new technologies. Engage in mentorship, contribute to research, or author technical content. Data science is ever-evolving, so embracing lifelong learning and adaptability is essential for long-term career growth and impact in this dynamic field.